Dear students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see chapter number 15 Probability, Standard 9 Mathematics. Earlier we have seen exercise 15.1 question number 1 to 5. In this video, we are going to discuss about question number 6. If you have not seen the earlier videos, go on my channel and find out those videos and see. So, if you will come by sequentially, then you will understand this particular video or this particular question very easily. Let us begin question number 6, exercise 15.1. Refer table 14.7 of chapter 14. Whatever the data is given that I have already written here, you should see in your textbook that table 14.7 which is given in chapter number 14. That data we need to take and we have to find out the answer of the question which has been asked below. First of all, let us see the data. A teacher wanted to analyze the performance of two sections of students in a mathematics test of 100 marks. How many marks? 100 mark test teacher has conducted. Looking at their performances, she found that a few students got under 20 marks and few got 70 marks or above. Few got less mark and few got more mark. Means few got under the 20 and few got more than 70. So, she decided to group them into interval of varying sizes as follows. The size interval is given 0 to 20, 20 to 30, so on, 60 to 70, 70 to 100. It is given in the table, we will see. Then she formed the following table. She has formed the table, that is marks and number of students. Those students who got marks between 0 to 20 are 7. Those who got 20 to 30 are 10. 30 to 40, 10. 40 to 50, 20. 50 to 60, 20. 60 to 70, 15, and 70 above, 8. Total is given here and that is 90. Now the question comes, question number 1, find the probability that student obtain less than 20% in the mathematics test. And second one, find the probability that student obtain 60 or above marks. First of all, we'll begin with total number of students. Let us start the solution. Total number of students in that what we have to do? We have to do the total of all of this and the total is already mentioned here. So we will not write the total, we will directly write this figure. 7 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 8 is equal to 90. So total number of students are 90. Now first one, what we want to find out, find the probability that student obtain less than 20% in the mathematics test. So I will write it. First one, I'll give the name of that event, event A. What is that event? Students obtained less than 20% marks. Let us find out the probability for that. I will say probability of the event that student obtain less than 20 marks. We will refer the table. In the table you can see the marks between 0 to 20 is 7. Actually this question must be like this, a student obtain less than or equal to 20 marks, but you can see the next data is 20 to 30. So they have been asked less than 20 marks. Means if the student got 20 marks, they have been taken in this particular category as this include. So students obtain less than 20% mark are 7 as per the table. So this is 7. So I will write it. You know that total favorable outcome is 7 and the total number of students are 90. So probability of event A is equal to 7 upon 90. Second one. Let us read the second question. find the probability that a student obtains 60 or above. I'll write the event, that is given name event B. Students obtained 60 or above marks. Let us see. Refer this table. More than 60 means it includes this category 60 to 70. They have not mentioned less than how much, but they have asked us to find out the probability that student obtained 60 or above. Means this category, this 15 students are there, as well as all those students who got more than 70 will also include in that. Means there are two category student we need to add there. So we'll write it, that is equal to, what is that? 15 plus 8. What is 15 plus 8? Can you tell me what is 15 plus 8? It is equal to 23. Now let us find out the probability. That probability of event B, which is student obtains 60 or above marks, is equal to, this is 23 in denominator total number of students, and that is 90. So probability of event B is equal to 23 upon 90. This is very easy sum. I hope you understood. In next video we will see question number 7. Thank you so much.